Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I will show you how we can add another account to the Google Play Store. And first we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the right upper corner, move to add another account, and then we have to wait a little bit and use our verification method. In my case it will be pattern. Input your secure email, click next, and then you have to input your password. And as you can see right here, when you make it, just click next, tap agree, and right now we can easily switch between accounts, and that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.